In this video, I simply want to show you how to turn on and off your Philips Roku TV without a remote control in case you lost it or it's not working. So what you need to do is to find the power button. In many cases, let me show you on mine, it's located under the TV, right in the middle here. You see, there's a button. This is the power button. If you don't see your button in the middle, it may be located somewhere else under the TV, so on the right side or the left one. So I'll go ahead, simply give a tap on that button, and the TV should power on right away. To power off your TV without a remote, you simply need to tap on that button twice. 1, 2. So turn off is highlighted, leave it like this, and after a few seconds, the TV will power off by itself. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like, but also comment down below. Take the time, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.